Murphy Firearms Training here. Got this Warcat Tactical. Went ahead and attached this wedge. I went on their website and looked, and it showed that they actually attach it vertically, but they put it on the inside of the holster. This is a right-hand draw. This is the 1.75 inch clip. I opted for the longer clip. I've got a video where I showed how to install the claw. Glued this wedge on it. Comes with a little glue pad. Went ahead and stuck that on. I put it horizontally because I kind of felt like that would provide a little more cushion from the end of this holster. So anyway, we've got our holster here. I've got my Glock 26. Pull this out and show it to you. It is unloaded. Okay, empty mag, empty chamber. It is unloaded. Okay, close that up. Show you a couple things I did. First of all, took off some of this corner here. So you'll see I took, this was level with this. I shaved that off, and I did that because my ghost ring sight, my Ameriglow ghost ring sight was hitting. So I've shaved that off so that this holsters correctly now. And I want to show you how this thing goes. So this wedge goes in here, and I did opt for the 1.75 inch claw, or excuse me, the 1.75 inch clip. And get this thing in here, and the claw turns the grip in this way, and the wedge pushes the barrel out at the bottom. And it really, I'm not a small guy. I've always said I couldn't appendix carry because of my belly, but it really, I mean, it was $18 for an $18 holster. It's pretty impressive, and I can still get a good grip on the gun. It sits nicely. It's at a good level. It's deep enough that I feel like it gets the gun down low, but I can still get all my fingers on the gun. So, but you can see here's a front view. It really presses it in nice. A side view. Really pretty happy with that. It does a good job, I think. So I'll give you the other side view there. You know, gives a good, little bit of retention. I don't have the screw too awful tight, but it doesn't give a positive click like a lot of Kydex holsters. That's the one thing I kind of miss. But otherwise, just wanted to show you that with the with this, what they call the wedge, with that wedge installed there, and it's quite comfortable. It's a little squishy, kind of soft. Really, really pushes the handle into you well. I would recommend, if you're a big guy who wants to try appendix carry, this would be a cheap option to try that with. So anyway, something to think about. Like I said, it's Glock 26. It's a small enough gun that it's very, very easy to hide there. The claw rotates the grip into your body, and then the wedge rotates the barrel away from your body, which puts the heel of the gun here into your body. I could untuck my shirt and this would really disappear. It's tucked in so that you could see the gun better. But anyway, kind of cool. So, but that is how this goes on. They do show it vertically on their website. They show this vertically. I chose to put it horizontally. And I do like that the extended mag release. I've got the extended mag release. Let me step in here and show you. I've got the extended mag release on my Glock, and no interference whatsoever. So if you have an extended mag release, not an issue. And then a close-up here of where I had to cut the holster away for the ghost ring sight. And I don't mind that. It's a cheap holster. Like I said, 1.75 inch clip. I put the wedge horizontally. They show it vertically on their website, but I feel like that's more comfortable, works nicely for me. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. You know, I would recommend it if you're looking for a cheap way to try an appendix carry. So give it a try. See what you think. It's $18.